Now the first problem is find the fourth term in the expansion of 3x minus y raised to power 7. So we have to find T4. So this will be found by using the general term. Here a is equal to 3x, b is equal to minus y and n is equal to 7. And we know that T of r is, that is NCR, a raised to power n minus r, b raised to power r. So we have to find T4. T4 means T3 plus 1. So r is 3 and n is 7. So we'll write 7C3, 3x raised to power 7 minus 3 is 4, b is minus y, r is 3. So minus y raised to power 3 is minus y, that is minus and y cube. 7C3 is 7 factorial over 3 factorial into 4 factorial. And here 3 raised to power 9 is 81 into x raised to power 4. So we'll get from here 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial over 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial into 81 into x raised to 4 into y raised to power cube. So we will get 6 is cancelled out by 6, 4 factorial is cancelled out by this, and 35 into 81 is minus 2835 x raised to power 4 into y raised to power cube. So this question was based on the general term. The next thing, find the middle term in the expansion of 2x plus y raised to power 10. So here n is equal to 10, that is even. Therefore n plus 1 is odd, that is 11. Therefore middle term is n plus 2x over 2 term, that is n plus 1 over 2x term, that is n plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 over 2 2x term, that is 12 over 2, that is 6 term. So we have to find 6th term of this expansion, that is T6, that is r plus 1, 5 plus 1. So we have to find NCR, that is 10C5, a 2x raised to power 10 minus 5 into b, that is y raised to power r, that is 5. So we get 10 factorial over 5 factorial into 5 factorial. 2 raised to power 5 is 32, x raised to power 5 into y raised to power 5. So we get here 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial over 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial into 32, x raised to power 5, y raised to power 5. So we get here 5 is cancelled out by this, 6 is cancelled out by this, 5 2s are this, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are this. So we get 9 into 4 into 7 into 35 into x raised to 5, y raised to 5. So the middle term is 8064 x raised to 5 into y raised to 5. So this is the middle term when the n is even. So this is the problem related to middle term. Now the third problem is find the coefficient of x raised to minus 2 in the expansion of x minus 1 by x square raised to power 16 or x is not equal to 0. Now the solution is here a is equal to x, b is equal to minus 1 by x square, n is equal to 16. So in such type of question, first of all we will find the general term. So general term is t of r plus 1 NCR a raised to power n minus r into b raised to power r. Therefore here n is 16, CR, a is x raised to power 16 minus r, b is minus 1 by x square raised to power r. So we will find out the power of x, that is 16 CR, x raised to power 16 minus r minus 1 raised to power r into x raised to power minus 2r. So we get minus 1 raised to power r into 16 CR x raised to power 16 minus 3r. Now we have to find coefficient of x raised to power minus 2. That means it should be x raised to power minus 2. Then we will find the coefficient related to this here. So we will substitute 16 minus 3r is equal to minus 2. So we get minus 3r is equal to minus 18. So we get r is equal to 6. So by substituting r is equal to 6 in number 1, we will get the coefficient of x raised to power minus 2. Therefore, coefficient of x raised to minus 2 is that is from t of r plus 1, that is t of 7, that is 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 6, 16c6 x raised to power 16 minus 18, that is minus 1 raised to power 6, 16cr x raised to minus 2. Therefore, coefficient is minus 1 raised to power 6 into 16c6, that is minus 1 raised to power 6 is plus 1, it is 16 factorial over 6 factorial into 10 factorial. So we will solve it 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. So that 10 factorial from the denominator will be cancelled out, and the denominator we have 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It will be cancelled out. 6 into 2 is 12, it is cancelled out. So 5 3s are 15, 3 and 3 are cancelled out, and 4 4s are 16. So we will remain with 4 into 14 into 13 into 11. So that is the answer. On multiplication we will get 8008. So this is the coefficient of x raised to minus 2 in the given expansion. So if we have to do such type of question, we have to, first of all, we have to find x raised to power that power and relate to. If it is independent, then relate to 0. If we have a coefficient of x 6, so then it relate to is equal to 6. Then we will get the value of r, and by substituting r we will find the required coefficient. Now the next problem is, that is problem number 4. Find the constant term in the expansion of two x square minus 1 by x raised to power 11 if it exists. That is, x is not equal to 0. Now, this will be done in the same manner. First of all, we have to write general term. That is t of r plus 1. That is NCR. N is here 11. 11CR. A is 2x square raised to power 11 minus r. B is minus 1 by x raised to power r. So we have to find the power of x. So we get here 11CR, 2 raised to power 11 minus r, x raised to power 22 minus 2r minus 1 raised to power r into 1 by x raised to power r. So we get minus 1 raised to power r, 11CR, 2 raised to power 11 minus r, and x raised to power 22 minus 3r. So we have to find constant term. That means there is no coefficient of x, that is x raised to power 0. So for the constant term, index of x is 0. That is 22 minus 3r is equal to 0. That means r is equal to 22 by 3. But it does not belong to natural number. Therefore, constant term does not exist in the expansion. So from these two examples, we have to find the constant term, that means x raised to power 0, coefficient of x is minus 2. That means we have to find x raised to power, that is the index of x, so that we can equate, that is our requirement. It is independent of x, so we have to equate equal to 0. If we have to find coefficient of x raised to power m, that is relay that index is equal to m to get the required result. Now the next problem is obtain the term independent of x in the expansion of under root x over 3 plus under root 3 over 2x square raised to power 12. Independent of x means constant term. So here t of r plus 1 is NCR, that is 12CR. X is under root x over 3 raised to power 12 minus r into under root 3 over 2x square raised to power r. So just do the calculation very carefully. This is 12CR. And we have x raised to power 12 minus r divided by 2. That is under root, cos of under root. And 3 raised to power 12 minus r divided by 2. Write in the bracket, otherwise you will be confused. 12 minus r by 2. So we get here 3 raised to power half r and under root 2 raised to power, that is 2 raised to half r into x raised here raised to power half r. So we get 12CR x raised to power 12 minus r by 2 is 6 minus r by 2 minus r. That is here and 2 is cancelled out over under root 3 12 minus r into under root 3 raised to power r under root 2 raised to power r. So we get here 12cr 1 over under root 3. 12 minus r is 2r into 1 over under root 2 raised to power r into x raised to power 6 minus, taking LCM r minus 2r, that is minus 3 by 2. So we have to find for the term independent of x, we get 6 minus 3r by 2 is equal to 0. From this we get r is equal to 12 over 3, that is 4. So when r is equal to 4, the term will be independent of x. That is t of r plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, 5, that is t of 4 plus 1, 12c4, 1 over under root 3, 12 minus 2r, that is 8, 1 over under root 2 raised to power r, that is 4, into x raised to 6 minus 3 by 2 into r, that is 4. So we can see that we get 12 factorial over 8 factorial into 4 factorial, 1 over under root 3 raised to power 4 into 1 over under root 2 raised to power 4, x raised to power 0. And something raised to power 0 is 1. So this term is independent of x, that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial over 8 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 over 3 square into 2 square. X raised to power 0 is 1. So from here we get, this is cancel out, this cancel out 12, and we get 3 square cancel out 9 and 2 cancel out this. So we get 55 over 2 square is 4. So a term independent of x is 55 over 4.